Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is weekly test series and in this test we will see questions from 4th of May till 10th of May, and this test is relevant for every examination and it will help you to test your progress and your weaknesses, that whether you are going upward or downward. This will help and provide you an opportunity for self improvement, while it will also help you to quickly revise the important current affairs questions of the whole week. So, there are many benefits of taking this test, and this test will provide you a platform where you can commit as many mistakes as you can, as you are not allowed to commit even a single mistake in your examination hall. A single mistake in examination hall costs heavily. So, take it as an opportunity and commit as many mistakes so that those mistakes get deducted and you emerge as a perfect scorer in your examination hall. So let's begin without further ado. Take a pen and a page and mark answers of each questions in your answer sheet. And at the end, when we will match the answers of each questions, count your correct answers and then tell your score in the comment section. Even the score is lower, then don't worry. Try to get higher in the next test, but you must tell your score in the comment section. It will let you feel confident, and even if the score is lower, it will make you work harder for the next test. And even if the score is higher, you must be confident about it too. No one is going to question you that you have a scored that much higher. How so? If you are scoring higher, it is good. You should feel confident and write it in the comment section. And in this test, we are going to see 32 questions. So out of 32, how many marks you are going to get? Let's see. The first question: World Organization for Animal Health is headquartered in? The options are whether it is headquartered in Rome, Paris, Berlin or London. Mark your answers. Next question now. One Dhan Vikas Kendra was first launched in which state? The options are Jharkhand, whether it was Chhattisgarh, West Bengal or whether it was UP. Mark your answer again. Next question now. Survive COVID-19 in news is a? Whether Survive COVID-19 is a testing kit, whether it is a ventilator, a mobile game, or none of the above statements are correct. Read the options carefully. Mark your answer. Next question now. Consider the following statements about World Asthma Day. The day is observed on first Monday of May every year. Whether it is correct. Next statement. The theme for this year is enough asthma deaths. Whether this statement is correct or not. So which of the following statements is or are correct? Whether only 2 is correct, only 1 is correct, both statements are correct, or none of the statements are correct. Mark your answer in your page. Next question. Particularly vulnerable tribal groups, which in short are called as PVTGs, were created as a separate group by? These are the list of commissions and committees. Which committee created PVTGs as a separate group? Mark your answer. Next question now. Jamni Roy was a famous? Whether Jamni Roy was a singer, painter, musician or a scientist. Mark your answer. Next question now. Consider the following statements about NAM, that is non-alignment movement. Options are: NAM is a forum of 120 developing countries that are not formally aligned with or against any major power bloc. Is this statement correct or not? And it was established in 1964 with 29 members. So which of the two statements are correct or incorrect? Mark your answer again. Next question now. Sankalp scheme recently in news launched by the police of which state? Whether by Bihar, Rajasthan, UP or MP. Next question now. Pulse oximeter is used to detect? Whether it is used to detect sugar levels in blood, oxygen level in blood, protein level in blood or vitamin level in blood. Mark your answer. Next question now. Remdesivir, an antiviral drug, was developed for treatment of? These are the options. Read the options carefully. Mark your answer. Next question now. 1998 OR2 in news recently is a, whether it is a SARS-CoV-2 like virus, influenza of 1998, an asteroid, or a nearby planet. Read the options and mark your answer again. Next question now. The first Commonwealth Games were held in. These are the options. Read the options carefully and mark your answer. Next question now. The first EPFO scheme launched by Government of India in which year? These are the list of years, whether it was 1952, 1953 or 1954 or 1955. Mark your answer. Next question now. A Tika M satellite will be launched by which country? These are the options. Read the options. Mark your answer. Next question now. Which country has the largest percentage of llamas? Whether it is Bolivia, Peru, Argentina or Canada. Read your answers. Mark your answers. Next question now. Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology is located in. These are the list of options. Read the cities. Mark your answer. Next question now. Last at Home report is released by which agency? Whether by UNESCO, UNICEF, World Bank or by OECD. Mark your answer again. Next question now. Vishnu Sendra Parva is celebrated in which state? Whether it is celebrated in Bihar, Jharkhand, Telangana or all of the above. Next question. Vesak is considered the most sacred day in which religion? These are the lists. Read the options. Mark your answer. Next question now. What is the rank of India in active internet users? These are the lists. Read the options. Mark your answer. Next question now. What is the number of active internet users in rural India? Whether it is 222 million, 227 million, 229 million or 235 million. Next question now. Long March 5B rocket has been launched by which country? These are the options. Read the options carefully. Again mark your answer. Next question. Indian Sundarbans has been recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Site in which year? These are the list of year. Read the options, then mark your answer. Next question. What is the chemical formula of styrene? These are the lists. C6H6, C7H7, C8H8 or C10S10. Next question now. The concept of polarimetry technique was given by which scientist? These are their names. Read the options carefully. Mark your answer. Next question now. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded the Knighthood Award in which year? These are the options. Read the options carefully and then mark your answer. Let's move to the next question. The mass nesting of olive ridley turtle is called as. These are the options. Read the options carefully and then mark your answer. Next question now. The monoclonal neutralizing antibodies were first developed by. So these are the options again. Read the options carefully and mark your answer again. Next question now. The birth anniversary of Maharana Pratap Singh I is observed on. Whether it is 6th May, 7th May, 8th May or 9th May. Next question now. The theme for World Migratory Bird Day for this year is. Read the options. Whether it is Let's Save the Bird, Save These Birds, Birds Connect Our World and none of the above. Mark your answer again. Next question now. World Red Cross Day is observed on. These are the list of options. So it is observed on the birth anniversary of which of the personality? Next question now. Mukhyamantri Yuba Yogang Yojana is related to which state? These are the options again. Read the options carefully, then mark your answer. Now let's match the answers and at the end you must tell your score in the comment section. Let's begin. World Organization for Animal Health is headquartered in. So it is headquartered in Paris, which is in France. And this body was in use because of spread of classical swine fever in Assam among the pigs and domestic pigs particularly. Next question, Van Dhan Vikas Kendra was first launched in, so this was first launched in the state of Chhattisgarh. So here B is the right answer. Next question now, Survive COVID-19 in news is a, so Survive COVID-19 is a mobile game which make people or the player aware of how to protect oneself from COVID-19. Next question, consider the following statements about World Asthma Day. See, the day is being observed on first Monday of May every year. No, it is instead celebrated on first Tuesday of May every year. So here statement first is wrong, while the theme of this year is enough asthma deaths. Those who have marked it correct must realize the benefit of being attentive in the class. If you were attentive, you must have realized that I have changed this. In examinations, they do the same. They will change the keyword and will confuse you very easily. So here only two statement is correct. So here A is the right answer. Next question, particularly vulnerable tribal groups were created as a separate group by Dhebar Commission. So here B is the right answer. Next question now, Jamni Roy was a famous painter and he was a disciple of Abanindranath Tagore. Next question, consider the following statements about non-alignment movement. See, NAM is a forum of 120 developing countries that are not formally aligned with or against any major power bloc. This is correct. And it was established in 1964? No. It was rather established in 1961. So again, here second is wrong. It was established in 1961 with 29 members. So here only first is right. So B is the right answer. Next question, 4.8. Sankalp scheme, which was in news recently, launched by the police of which state? So it was launched by the police of MP. So here D is the right answer. Question number 9 now. Pulse oximeter is used to detect. So this pulse oximeter detect oxygen level in blood. So B is the right answer. Question number 10. Remdesivir, which is an antiviral drug, was developed for the treatment of Ebola. But this drug has been approved by US to treat COVID-19 patients. Next question. 1998 OR2 in news recently is a, so here 1998 OR2 is an asteroid. So here C is the right answer. Question number 12 now. The first Commonwealth Games were held in Scotland. So here B is the right answer. Next question. The first EPFO scheme launched by Government of India in which year? So it was launched in the year of 1952. So A is the right answer for question number 13th. Question number 14th now. Arktika M satellite will be launched by, so this satellite will be launched by Russia. D is the right answer for it. Question number 15th. Which country has the largest percentage of llamas? So it is Bolivia. Why it was in news? Because antibodies from llamas are found to be effective in treating patients of COVID-19. Next question. Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology is located in, so it is located in Hyderabad. So B is the right answer here. Question number 17th. Lost at Home report is released by, so this Lost at Home report is released by UNICEF. So B is the right answer here. Question number 18th. Vishnu Sendra Parva is celebrated in, so this Vishnu Sendra Parva is celebrated in the state of Jharkhand. So B is the right answer here. Question number 19th. Vesak is considered the most sacred day in Buddhism. So here D is the right answer. And Vesak is called as Buddha Purnima. Next question. What is the rank of India in active internet users? See, in terms of active internet users, India is ranked second after China. But in terms of internet penetration, which means percentage of people using internet, India ranked third after US and China. Next question. Long March 5B rocket has been launched by, so this rocket has been launched by China. So C is the right answer here. Question number 23rd. Indian Sundarbans has been recognized as UNESCO's World Heritage Site in the year of 1987. So here A is the right answer. Question number 24th. What is the chemical formula of styrene? So it is C8H8. It is the chemical formula of a styrene, and the styrene was the gas which emitted from Vizag gas plant. Next question. The concept of polarimetry technique was given by, it was given by Sujan Sengupta. So here B is the right answer. Question number 26. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded the Knighthood Award in which year? So he was awarded this Knighthood Award in 1915, which he renounced after the Jallianwala Bagh incident in 1919. Next question, the mass nesting of olive-ridley turtle is called as, so it is called as Arivada. So here B is the right answer. Next question, the monoclonal neutralizing antibodies were first developed by, so it was first developed by Israel. So here C is the right answer. Birth anniversary of Maharana Pratap Singh first is observed on, so this is observed on 9th of May. We have seen these questions in the weekly current affairs which I have already completed for this week. Next question, the month of or the theme of World Migratory Bird Day for this year is, so the theme is Birds Connect Our World. We have seen these questions in the weekly current affairs series. If you have not been following the weekly current affairs series, I will upload the video at the end of the screen. Tap on that video and watch the weekly current affairs series as well, as I upload only a single video in a week, and in that video I upload the most important selected questions for the entire week, and that series is based on factual questions. So these are the types of factual questions which may be asked in any exam. Next question is World Red Cross Day is observed on, so this is observed on the birth anniversary of Henry Dunant. So here A is the right answer. Next question, Mukhyamantri Yuva Yogang Yojana is related to, so this scheme is related to state of Tripura, and this scheme was in news because Tripura Chief Minister has announced a scholarship program under this Mukhyamantri Yuva Yogang Yojana. So if you find the video useful, don't forget to share it and tell your score in the comment section. Like the video if you find it useful. Share this video with friends. Wait for the upcoming test. Until then, stay at your home, stay safe. Thanks a lot.